In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about concealed carry and the steps that you need to take to make sure you stay undercover. Thanks for joining us again on Shoot of the Series. My name's Thorell from Firearms Education Training. We'd like to give a big shout out to all of our subscribers. Make sure you hit the like, the share, and also the button, the bell for subscribing. We'd also like to thank those people checking us out on Patreon. Come find us. Anyway, today we want to talk a little bit about concealed carry. And the whole object of concealed carry is being able to carry during the day without being noticed, basically being invisible. If you show, people are going to talk. The last thing you want to do is have an interaction with the police officer because somebody noticed you were carrying and called in a man with a gun. That's a bad idea. Anyway, so one of the things that you're going to find is it's very difficult to beat something just as simple as an oversized Hawaiian shirt. Today I'm dressing from the Thomas Magnum collection, and my secret to finding this is basically just going to, your basic, like your Goodwill or your basic thrift shop. Go in, carry your normal piece, grab 5 or 6 different types of shirts off the rack, take them into the dressing room, try them on, and go through and make normal motions like you would during the day. Reach, bend, watch yourself in the mirror, make sure that nothing shows, make sure that the shirt is long enough to conceal the end of your holster if you have to lift up to something like heading for a top shelf. So this way you're able to see exactly what you're buying. And I mean, last time I went out to the thrift store, I think I spent like $4 or $5 a shirt. So it doesn't take much money to look this good. Anyway, something to consider also is when you're looking for stuff, a dark pattern is going to hide better than a light pattern. It's going to act literally like urban camouflage, where it breaks up the outline so that you don't see anything that's showing. So, I mean, pretty good example is most of you guys know that I like to carry back here at the 5 o'clock position. Glock 19, safe and clear. CZ75, safe and clear. .1911, safe and clear. Smith & Wesson Shield, you get the idea. Aha, but we're not done. Model 60. Versa 380. Oh, I almost forgot. In the words of Tony Montana, say hello to my little friend. But something about everyday carry, you wouldn't also be complete unless you also carried your Emerson, your Gerber, extra magazine, and you can't go anywhere without your trusty Swiss Army knife. I think that covers it. Anyway, just to give you an idea, I was able to put all of that on my body without necessarily anyone noticing it. I definitely wouldn't necessarily want to carry that all around during a day, but this helps make a point that it doesn't take a whole lot of extra effort in order to properly conceal yourself so that you can carry during the day and basically be invisible. Anyway, we'd like to thank all of the folks that have been sticking with us, especially Lou Flores. Thanks. We appreciate you, Lou. On behalf of Shoot of the Series, I'm Thorell from Firearms Education and Training. Y'all take care.